Hello, today we're going to talk about the Heinrich Gill brand. I'm going to take you through some of the violins. Here at Bows for Strings we also stock the full range of cellos. They are modern, European-made instruments of fantastic quality. We typically suggest that they're best suited for intermediate to advanced student players. The workshop is in Bubenreuth in Germany. It was initially established in the 1950s. In the 1990s, Bahn Dimbath took over and has been making fantastic quality instruments ever since. So the first example we have from Heinrich Gill is the W2 model. These are handcrafted in Germany from some really beautiful tone woods, maple black, spruce top of course. Where our setup is concerned, we've gone with Wittner fittings, so the tailpiece and the chin rest are both Wittner from Germany. Here we've used Obbligato. On any of the Gill range you can choose for Obbligato or Eva Perazzi strings depending on your preferences as a player. And then last but certainly not least, we've gone ahead and cut in our workshop a Despo bridge from France. Let's have a listen to how this one sounds. So there we go, a very nice and rich, warm, but also very clear tone. The next step in the Heinrich Gill range is the W3. So again, same credentials, fantastic quality workmanship, European tone woods, so on and so forth. Again, where the setup is concerned, very similar approach to the last. Wittner, Parastro strings, we've gone with Eva Perazzi here, which might help us hear a bit of a contrast. And then, French bridge from Despo. Let's have a listen to how this one sounds. So quite a lovely sound coming out of this one. We've got it really nice and bright, very resonant and even. The next step in the range from Heinrich Gill is the X5. This is the start of what this particular brand refers to as their master-made range. So we're starting to see an improvement again on these European tone woods, some really stunning figured maple through the neck here. Of course, premium selection of woods where the body of the instrument is concerned. This does go hand in hand with our setup approach as well. We've actually upped the quality of the bridge. This one has a 3-star Despo bridge, and again, a lot of these more standardized fittings. We've got Wittner tailpiece and chin rest, and again, Eva Perazzi strings from the Parastro company. Let's have a listen to how this one compares. So here we're really hearing that next step in terms of its brilliance, its power, and its projection. The top of the range from Heinrich Gill is the X7, again part of their master built series from premium quality materials. We've also applied our finest quality setup, what you would expect, our 3-star bridge, Eva Perazzi strings from Germany and Parastro, and again the Wittner tailpiece and chin rest. Let's have a listen to how this one sounds. So there we go. We're really starting to hear that next level of complexity. We've got some really beautiful, smooth and warm sounds coupled with very bright, clear, responsive sounds. This can even almost be soloistic at times. So it goes right hand in hand with that very advanced level student playing, the X7 from Heinrich Gill. Okay, so there we have it. A quick snippet on each from the Heinrich Gill range. We like to think that they're fantastic instruments for intermediate and advanced student players who are looking to take that next step when looking for a fully European-made violin.